What we call an article guard. I'm just gonna basically tell him to guard the truck there, and he won't let nobody come back up.
So perfect.
Guard it. And the guard, if he comes out of it, he has to get back up in it. What they'll do in competition, I'll take my wallet out of my pocket and I put it on the ground. I tell them to guard it. Then they'll have two decoys. One decoy coming this side, and they'll try to lure him on the bike. Put a sleeve on him, get him coming this way. And the other decoy try to run up and grab the wallet. So the minute what he'll do is he'll take the bike, he comes off the wallet, let's go to the bike, runs back, gets back on the wallet. Make sure nobody comes in.